I'm just gonna try to do some one take because I hate editing videos so much. I didn't realize how much I hated it, so that's something I'll have to learn how to do. Here's the iX. It's for sale, 8,500 bucks. Right off the bat, we'll start with that. How about that? All right, moving on. S54 car works. Yep, that's my license plate. I could start it up right now, I guess. I think my keys are in here even. Oh, look, keys are in the ignition. Start her up. Oh, yes. But, as you can see, gas gauge, just turn the fan off. Gas gauge does not work, so today that's what we're trying to figure out. Yeah. So, I popped the back seat out. Yep, you can see the dog frisbee and spare fuse box. That's for another project. We'll talk about that later. And I tried to see if the plug for the fuel pump, or for the fuel level sender, was plugged in, and it was plugged in. If you guys don't have a Christmas mask, you should probably get one. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try to maybe go underneath the dash, and we'll see what happens. But you guys probably all wanted to see this after I don't know how many freaking months it's been, but please excuse this. This is how you open your car hood on an E30 if your hood release latch doesn't work. Ready? Here we go. And in she goes. Can you see it? No. Oh, here we go. Ready? You can't see it. This is my life. The kind of stuff I deal with E30s. I do this to myself. Oh, and it's open. Okay. There she is. She's real. She exists. It's getting dirty because it is my daily driver. I'm about to drive to California. It'll be a fun time lapse, actually. Let's throw that up on YouTube. Yeah, S54 car works. I'm just gonna do some tidying up, and then which means getting ready for a road trip. An 804-mile road trip to my cousin's house. He's gonna be doing an S54 swap as well. So this is a really short update video. We'll get something out about me driving the car. And then I'll talk more about this, kind of like it's I've had it for a couple years, and it was a project I started and thought I was gonna spend more time on, but iX E30s are kind of expensive, and I bought it already 24 valve swapped, and then I built the turbo manifold for it, and just got a general GT 3582 and a 44mm wastegate for it, and I had some parts laying around from another turbo build I did. But I actually have footage of me working on this from last year. Maybe I'll try to throw it in a video or something. It's not that exciting, but it's the stuff about this build. But anybody interested, 8,500 bucks, their best offer. iXs are kind of hard to find, so even though it's had some heavy modifications, I still think it's worth the price too. And also, being in E30s for the last like 10 years and watching the market like turn into what it has, I'm kind of shocked right now. E30 M3s were $12K when I got into E30s. When I bought this thing, $12,000 were E30 M3s. And these days you can't find good ones for like at least less than like $40,000 or $50,000 for like an okay one. So that pretty much sealed the deal on me ever owning one of those. But anyway, try to do an update video soon. I'm not very good at this. So anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully you guys aren't bored yet. I'm kind of boring, but I've got an engine hoist now. I've got an engine stand. I've got some stuff in the works right now. Finally gonna get to start working on this bad boy. So it's gonna get turned into not the storage unit anymore. And then, get to start building a race car. I guess the real question is, what engine do I put into this E30? Do I do something that I kind of want to do, which is a K24 swap, like a Honda K24 on an E30 with a turbo? Or do I go the LS route, or do I stick with BMW, or, you know, what do I do? I don't know what to do. So maybe I'll throw a poll, or if there's enough people who actually watch this, or if someone's interested enough in this, to just, you know, let me know what you think. Drop a comment or something, I don't know. And yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.